The best camping tips on the web. Camping is one of the funnest outdoor adventures that you can experience in life. It is one of the funnest things that life has to offer you, that is why you are going to want to make sure you get the most out of camping. You can do that by watching this video here. When packing for your camping trip, do not forget chairs and a radio. One of the best parts of camping is sitting around the campfire. You could sit on an old log, but why bother when you can pack chairs and be comfortable? The radio is for entertainment sitting around the fire. An even better idea is to bring your guitar for a sing-along. Bring a large trash bag for dirty laundry, and keep it in a central location, suitable for everyone in your party. Let them pack their clothing individually, as this makes it much easier to find than if you pile it all in a community storage box or bag. Toss in a dryer sheet to any bag you want smelling fresh. Did you know that a simple mirror can save your life? If you are camping and end up in a survival situation, a simple handheld mirror can be used to signal for help many miles away. Do not buy the standard glass mirror. Many camping supply stores sell mirrors made of Lexan that will float and are practically unbreakable. You might think that you can find all of the wood that you need to keep the fire going, but there is a good chance that the wood will be wet. Bringing some extra wood in a watertight wrapping is a smart idea for camping success. This video has provided you with a lot of great knowledge about how to get the most out of your camping experience. It's good to know that you have the option to enjoy yourself with a nice camping experience when you want to dedicate the time to do so, so get out there and do it. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.